All right, good morning. It's another great day here doing LSAT Max LSAT training. And what you're looking on the screen here is my results from Cannot Be True questions. I'll run through here real quick. Welcome, by the way. Thank you for watching and thank you for joining with me in my journey of studying for the LSAT. I'm a couple of weeks in here, and let's see, we are at this point here, Cannot Be True questions. I did get a little bit into linear games. I'm just almost done with the video series or the video instruction on that. And after the video instruction, I will go through and do some drilling to try and get better at them. So let's see what I have up here. Um, that's logic reasoning. This is my Cannot Be True questions all-time stats, 78%. So I tried to find, I don't know if there were any Cannot Be True questions in my diagnostic test because I don't see it. Here's the diagnostic review for the prep test that I took, the cold score. And I don't see Cannot Be True listed here. So I don't think that I received, now, I don't think that I received any questions. Now, the thing about that is that I'm having a little trouble with this because I'm not sure that this page is accurate now. This shows two types of games, but if you actually look at my test that I took, I have section one was the logic games, and if you reviewed just the test itself, there were three sections. Um, maybe I'm incorrect about that, but also I'm asking why the dates are wrong here. Let's see, question 6 through question. Yeah, so it looks like this is another. Yeah, so there's one type of game here. This was the destination. I think this is an ordering game, and then this one was a sequencing. No. I'm not sure what kind this one is, but this was the newsprint one. This one was the ordering, like these, what comes after what type of game, sequencing, I think they call it. And then this was the, I don't know what kind they call that either. But anyway, there's three different games listed here. And there are only two games listed here. Let's see, that's 23 questions. This is 6, 14, 24. Maybe that's what it is. I see. So maybe it is that I had two of one type of game. Okay, that makes sense. So anyway, I'm asking them some questions about this because I'm not really sure what my logic game starting point is, and that's what I'm actually going to start on today, or continue with linear games. Active house. Okay, so trying to kind of get an idea of where I'm starting at so that I know where, what success looks like. This is a good number, this is not so good. So linear games looks like I'm a little better at those just, out of the box. And grouping games, not as much. Oh, that's what the newsprint one is a grouping game. Got it. So anyway, it looks like my starting point's somewhere around, if you just get right between these two, is 25 points. So 57 or so percent is my starting point on average for logic games. They say 62 here, and that's fine. Anyway, somewhere in the 50s and 60s. I want to improve that significantly so that I can get a better score, obviously. That being the goal of doing this. So that's my starting point. That was my results on Cannot Be True questions here. Let me see if I can find that again. Here's Cannot Be True questions and 78%. And here's my logic games, or logic games. Where did that one go? Anyway, sorry guys. It's too many tabs here. So here's logic games on this, and here's logic games on this. So somewhere in the middle of there, and here's Cannot Be True. So if we just go with these two, logic games, 62% to start, and 78% on cannot be true. I definitely want to improve that up. I would really like to not go into the LSAT with anything under like 85. I'd really like to have at least a B, chance of any question that I might be thrown at me, have thrown at me. Only a couple of weeks in here, but still want to really knock this thing out of the park. So um, that's where I'll be today, and do some linear games, maybe get into some grouping games. I don't know how many linear game drills there are, so we'll see what that looks like here. Let's see how many there are. It's 56. Yeah, I'm not going to be getting through that today. I can guarantee you that. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Crush the LSAT.